Again. Secondly, the Mumbai police never made an attempt to file an FIR in this case. That is something that has been raised from many quarters as to why the Mumbai police never did so. And for your government in Maharashtra to have that kind of blind faith, of course, again raises questions that what is the reason that you were so confident that only Mumbai police should be looking into this case, because the Maharashtra government was not in favor of transferring it to the CBI.
Now, let me explain this particular aspect to you. Away from Sushant's case, let us leave Sushant's case for some time away. Mumbai police has a great reputation of being second to the Scotland police in the world. I have appeared in various matters outside India, and I would tell you for your viewers' information and for benefit of all who are interested in this matter, as far as Mumbai police record is concerned. When we talk about Indian police outside India, whether it is in UK or USA or any other country, they talk of Mumbai police, not Delhi police or Bihar police. You see, so therefore Mumbai police has that reputation, and with that reputation, we have been saying that Mumbai police has no reason to be delinquent. Mumbai police has no reason not to get to the bottom of truth. Because there was apprehension only that at the behest of the Home Minister or Chief Minister, Mumbai police is dancing at their tune, which is a misconceived notion. Mumbai police was doing its job professionally, and Mumbai police thought that as per Section 174 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, when an unnatural death has occurred, an inquiry and report is to be done as per the mandate of law, and which they were doing. Of course, they may have taken a little longer time for that. To that extent, they will explain why they took such long time. But to find fault and challenge the efficiency of Mumbai police generally would be unjust.
All right. Vinay Tiwari wants to come into the conversation. Over to you, Vinay.
Yeah, Mr. Memon, I just had a very quick question. Would you at least concede that the Mumbai police made a strategic mistake by continuing to have a ADR and not convert it into an FIR the minute the postmortem report came in? In an ADR, once the postmortem report comes in, if you have a prima facie reason to believe there could be death by suicide, converting it into an FIR would have strengthened their case. They didn't have an FIR, and that went against them. They continued.
This is a very interesting academic question, and only those who know law would appreciate what I'm going to say. And what I mean to convey to your viewers through you is that when an unnatural death occurs anywhere in India, what is the settled law? Unnatural death can be in three categories. One is suicidal death, second is accidental death, and third is homicidal death. Now, Mumbai police, looking at facts and circumstances of 14th June, discovery of the dead body of Sushant hanging in his flat, they took it as a suicidal death. And in that direction, they have started collecting material under Section 174 CRPC. Now, for them, they thought that no cognizable offense prima facie seems to have been committed. And therefore, they did not go to 154. And therefore, they did not register FIR. What fault are you finding with them? Tell me.
No, my only argument is, sir, that now with the Supreme Court agreeing with the Bihar police's version, they believe by the very fact that they've agreed to the aspect of the case being transferred to the CBI by the Bihar government and making it a judicial order, they prima facie have agreed that there was enough reasons to doubt and register a 154 case and not a 174 ADR.
Well, I don't think I have not had the benefit of going through word by word what verdict of Supreme Court has been, but I am guided by the information provided to me by friends like you. And I say that, well, Supreme Court has not indicted Mumbai police for not doing its professional duty. Supreme Court has only suggested that, well, two things legally are what come out from the verdict, this verdict. One is that even if the other state has the FIR, in the circumstances of the case, that other state can also transfer it to CBI. And we as Supreme Court judges also feel that this matter could go to CBI. To that extent, Supreme Court's ruling is enlightening. And as far as Mumbai police non-registration of FIR is concerned, I don't think Supreme Court has seen as to what have they done in the inquiry that they were following under Section 174. Therefore, I think let us not try to politicize the matter, because I'm hearing for the last 1 hour people talking about victory of Nitish Kumar over Uddhav Thackeray. Well, I think this is an irrelevant argument, and this must be taken purely from legal angle, and no politics should be involved.
Mr. Memon, before I let you go, one quick question, because you're one of the senior most counsels we have in the country and your voice carries a lot of weight. And I just wanted to ask you one quick question. Does it not mean that in the future, state governments who are not involved in a case or investigation directly can technically now register FIRs?
No, but I think
this is an investigation if they simply prove a cause of action in their state.
No, it's a very interesting question that you have posed. Only a lawyer could pose such a question. I am glad that you have asked me this question. Now, see, this would not be served as a precedent, at least I believe, in future, because this would create chaotic situation. Why, I will tell you.
Thank you very much.
But it has been announced as a voting is prevented in law. You can't choose your investigator. You can't choose your judge. Now, if this is liberally allowed, then a man commits crime in Kanyakumari and would say that I want Kashmir police to investigate and Kashmir judge to...
To our advocates in Supreme Court to send us a copy at the earliest. Thank you very much.
But it has been announced, so will we see Mumbai Police cooperating?
All right. Vinay, thanks for having that conversation with Majeed Memon. We take a short break now. News and updates continue after this short break. Stay with us.